Hi everyone, welcome back to Miss Roni Reads. Today is a little bit different. I'm not going to be doing the reading. I'm actually going to get my computer to read aloud to me. And this is handy, especially when your teacher has asked you to read a long document or read something on the internet that maybe you find a bit too challenging to read yourself, or maybe your brain just needs to listen rather than read. I know I love to listen to audiobooks myself, so listening can be really helpful. Just like how you listen to my first chapters, you can get your computer to read other things aloud to you as well. I'm going to take you through the steps that you can use to get this working. I'm also going to show you a demo. Let's begin. The first thing I'm going to do is get a Chrome extension. Now, there are lots of different ones that you can use, but the one that I found to be the best, in my opinion, is called Natural Reader. So I'm going to type that into Google. I'm going to write Chrome extension as well. And then I will click on this first option here, Natural Reader Speech, text to speech. So in order to use this, you need to be using a laptop or a computer, and you need to be using Chrome as your search browser. It doesn't work with the other ones. It's a Chrome extension. If you have an iPad, I can show you other ways to get your device to read aloud to you as well. It's really simple. Once you have gone to the Chrome web store, you click Add to Chrome, and that will add the extension to Chrome for you to use. Now you'll see, good, Natural Reader Teach Text to Speech has been added to Chrome. Awesome. So the next thing you'll notice is that little blue N disappeared. So I need to pin it so that I can use it next time. I click on the jigsaw piece. I click on the little pin. And there it is, the blue N, Natural Reader Speech to Text. Now, what I'm going to do is give you a demo. It's all sorted now. It's going to work. And there are different ways that we can use this Chrome extension. One thing you can do is if you're on a website like BTN, maybe your teacher has asked you to read this article. Maybe your brain just isn't in the mood for reading right now. Maybe you need to listen instead. You can use Natural Reader to do that. So what you do is you click on the blue N, and while it loads, you see it says click on the blue circle with the little white triangle in it to listen from the start of a page. Click on any text on a page to listen to it. So I'm going to click this blue circle.
Young marine scientist. We meet a 10-year-old from Perth who's just become one of the youngest people in Australia to author a published scientific paper.
The thing I really like about this particular extension is because it highlights the words as it's reading them, which really helps you to track along with your eyes. Because as we know, it's really good to listen and read at the same time to get our brains working. So that's one option. You just press the blue circle with the yellow triangle. If you didn't want to start from the top though, maybe you wanted to start all the way down here, you can click on it. You'll see it's highlighted, and then
which meant they could go to the next step, recording their results and drawing a conclusion.
And then you can press pause whenever you're ready to finish. Now, maybe you're not a massive fan of that voice. Maybe you're like, that's not really what I want to listen to. If that's how you're feeling, you can click on the settings and change. Oh, I'm in the way, but there are lots of options to change the voice. Now, if you got wanting to be not to have to pay money, there's a few options. Let me see if I can move myself. There we go. If you're just using the free option, there are these options. If you want to pay money, there are more options, of course. But the great thing about this Chrome extension is that it is free. Now, the good thing about this too is it's not just websites. Let's say you wanted to listen to a PDF that your teacher has sent you. They've sent you an email, or they've put it on Compass or on Teams, and they want you to listen or read a particular article. Let's see how we do that. So I just right-clicked there. I used right-click, and then I clicked Natural Reader Text to Speech, and that takes me to this page here, which is a place where you can put files. Now, I've got a file that I would like to listen to. So make this small. Well, it's over here on my desktop. I'm going to drag it and drop it, and you'll see it's uploading. We need some elevator music, don't we? Do, 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 do. So now it's uploaded. I just needed to press the little box with an arrow. And here it comes. Wow, this is my document. Let's listen to it.
Writing analytical essays. 1. Annotate my essay by drawing square brackets around each section.
How amazing is that? That is literally the handout that I wanted my students to read. So if your teacher sends you a Word document, you can do the same thing. I hope this has been a useful video for you. Please go back and watch it again if you need some extra help, or send me a message on Teams, or send me an email, and I'll be able to troubleshoot if you are having difficulty. Like I said, this is just for computers that run Chrome. There are ways to use this or to get your device to speak to you if you've got an iPad or a tablet. So I will see if I can make a video about that and put it up soon. Thanks for listening, everyone. Goodbye.